Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is iQOO Z9s 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to enable smart switch in your phone iQOO Z9s 5G. First of all, in your phone, go to the settings. Go to settings here. Then go to shortcuts and accessibility. Shortcuts and accessibility and go to go to smart motion and here go to smart calling and you will find here smart switch. Just to turn on that button. So when you using hands-free call, you can put your phone to your ear, automatically it will switch on to the handset. It will switch to the handset. Okay, so in this way you can easily enable smart switch in your phone iQOO Z9s 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.